Lil Nas X and his Satan shoes have been absolutely taking over the internet, and this custom drop actually had a lot of thought put into it. That's why today we're going to be breaking down all these secret messages, or Easter eggs if you will, that can be found in these limited edition sneakers. They sold out in under a minute, so let's find out why these modified Nikes are so alluring. But first, let's smash that like button to show some love to the channel, and with that out of the way, let's just dive right into the top 5 Lil Nas X Satan shoe Easter eggs. Can't believe I get to say Satan shoe and Easter eggs in the same sentence. Coming in number 5, the pentagram. Now the pentagram was often used symbolically in ancient Greece and Babylonia, but today you are more likely to see it being used as a symbol of faith by many Wiccans. Similar to how Christians have the cross, the pentagram also has associations of magic and belief in a higher power, or I guess a lower power, if you will. Sorry, Satan. Nonetheless, the symbol hangs on the front of the shoe, similar to how one would wear the pentagram or a cross around your neck. Although if you look closely at the one on these Satan shoes, you'll notice that the 5-pointed star is slightly turned with a singular point facing downward. The slight adjustment suddenly gives it a more evil significance. You see, when turned like that, it becomes the official insignia of the Church of Satan. The symbol itself was first used in this way on the cover of the Satanic Mass LP in 1968, which just sounds like an awesome album, and later would appear on the cover of the Satanic Bible in 1969. 69. It has also been referred to as the material pentagram, which is representational of carnality, the feeling of morbid sexual desire, as well as earthly principles. Coming in number 4, the blood. When someone works hard on a project, we usually say that they poured their blood, sweat, and tears into it. However, in this shoe, someone quite literally poured their blood into it. According to a co-founder of mschf, Daniel Greenberg, the blood comes as a sacrifice from himself and some of his co-workers. Although when asked about how the company went about collecting the blood, the details were a bit sketchy. All he said in response was, "Not the best way, to say the least. I could tell you it's just kind of graphic, but like not by any means a good way of doing it." I don't even want to know. I mean, is there any truly good way of collecting blood as a sacrifice to the devil for viral attention? We don't think so. However, that also touches on the Easter egg of this blood. It's literally the real blood of the people who work to make the shoe. And if that doesn't make you appreciate them just a little bit more when you're wearing them, then dare I say you may be ungrateful. Coming in number 3, the price tag. Yes, that's right folks, even the price tag has some significance to the satanic shoe. Not only is it rebranded on the side as Luke 10:18, but the price of $1,018 is done on purpose to really put forth that verse from the Bible. And for those of you who are unaware of that, allow me to quote it for you to show its significance with this shoe. Luke 10:18 says, "I saw Satan fall to earth like lightning from heaven." And the significance of this line comes as Luke narrates Jesus sending 72 disciples 2 by 2 to every place he was about to go to. When the disciples return overjoyed by the fact that they have the authority over even demons while using Jesus' name, he tells them that this should not come as a surprise, as even Satan had previously fallen from heaven with no authority over Jesus. Coming in number 2, number of releases. Not only did the company that made these shoes in collaboration with Lil Nas X only release a specific amount, but they made sure it was a very specific amount. 666 to be exact. On the side of the shoe as well is also the unique corresponding number to the pair that you purchased. But let's dive in for a moment on the significance behind this devilish Easter egg. We have all seen or heard of this number before. In the New Testament, it was referred to as the number of the beast. However, in more recent times, it has widely become known as the number of the Antichrist, which if you're selling Satan shoes is pretty on par with branding, and yet it keeps a minimalistic design to the shoe while still implying that mark of the Antichrist. Last but certainly not least, our number 1 spot, Nike shade. Whether this Easter egg is intentional or not, you have to admit that mschf was kind of throwing some shade at Nike and their infamous sweatshops when they came up with the idea to inject real human blood into the shoe's heel. Because everyone knows that at the heart and soul of Nike is a little bit of blood and sweat and tears maybe from severely underpaid overseas workers. Now I'm sure with this lawsuit coming their way, mschf must be sweating just a little bit, but they're definitely not sweating as much as Nike trying to cover up their sweatshops. You know how this viral attention goes. It's like a spotlight gets put on the person or company, and everything that they've done in the past starts to come to light. Let's hope this is just not another wasted opportunity with people adjusting their anger towards the wrong people, i.e. mschf and Lil Nas X. But either way, that has been the top 5 Lil Nas X Satan shoe Easter eggs. But before I get out of here, I'm going to check out some of your comments from the video titled "Mr. Beast Gets Buried Alive." Slinky Whippet says, "That's one of many worst nightmares, so props to him for sticking it out, but you'd never find me doing this kind of shit for any amount of money, fame, views, etc." Hey, everybody's got their thing, right? Casey Caffrey says, "I would have been dead from just being bored." Same though. Same. I would have been like, get me out of here. I'm exhausted. Derek Flores says, "Rest in beast." We love a good pun. Meow says, "Only 46 seconds? Yes, welcome to the new IO Shorts. We're going to be trying these out because YouTube is pushing this new kind of shorts format. It's basically Instagram stories for YouTube. But hey, you get an extra upload, so what's there to complain about?" Ash Devil says, "Not me reading it as Mr. Beast gets burned alive." You might want to go to an optometrist, my friend. But that has been today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've been your host, Johnny Rogers, and until next time, stay classy, YouTube.